Welcome back to our new video, One Man, No Machines, and the Ultimate Off-Grid Challenge. Watch as he hand drills through solid rock and carves massive logs into a precision-engineered masterpiece. This isn't just a cabin, it's a battle of raw strength and ancient skill. Can he build his dream sanctuary alone? Let's dive in. The ground is precisely cleared with a shovel to create a solid foundation for the cabin. Wooden planks are then hammered into sturdy molds and aligned with string lines to ensure the structure remains perfectly level and durable. Concrete is manually mixed and poured into wooden molds over rebar and stone for maximum reinforcement. Each block is then precisely leveled and aligned with string lines to ensure a perfectly balanced and rock-solid foundation for the entire structure. Logs are precisely hollowed out with an axe and then treated with a black protective coating to prevent rot and moisture damage. This essential process guarantees a rock-solid and long-lasting structure, keeping the wood safe from the elements for decades. Heavy logs are precisely lifted and fitted into hand-carved grooves, creating a rock-solid and unshakable structure for the cabin walls. This meticulous craftsmanship ensures every piece locks perfectly, guaranteeing long-term durability and balance in the heart of nature. Small wooden spacers are precisely placed to level the foundation for maximum structural stability. Massive peeled logs are then manually lifted and set into position with absolute accuracy to form the cabin's strong, enduring walls. Natural moss is layered in the grooves for organic insulation, while sturdy wooden pegs are hammered deep to lock the walls together. This ensures the cabin remains weather-tight and structurally unshakable for generations. Metal joist hangers are precisely installed on the log walls to provide a high-strength support system for the flooring. Each wooden joist is then carefully slotted and verified with a level to create a perfectly flat and unshakable framework for the dream cabin. The floor beams are precisely leveled using a pry bar and spirit level to ensure a perfectly balanced foundation. Every notch is meticulously chiseled for a flawless fit, and the joists are carefully positioned to create an unshakable grid for the cabin floor. Long wooden planks are precisely laid over the joists to create a rock-solid, level floor for the cabin. Each board is fitted snugly to ensure a durable and beautiful finish that will stand the test of time. Logs are meticulously hollowed with an axe to create a precise channel for natural moss insulation, ensuring the cabin remains airtight and warm. Each massive timber is then carefully stacked and aligned, turning raw wood into the sturdy walls of a resilient mountain sanctuary. Layer by layer, the walls of the cabin are rising with steady precision. Before each new timber is set, a bed of fresh mountain moss is spread to create a natural, airtight seal between the logs. One by one, these massive pieces are lifted and locked into their handcrafted notches, turning raw wood into an unshakable sanctuary that breathes with the forest. The level of craftsmanship displayed here is truly remarkable. Witnessing a sanctuary take shape through raw strength and traditional skill is a masterclass in patience and dedication. This isn't just building, it's a testament to how human hands can transform raw nature into an architectural masterpiece. Meticulous cuts are being made through the solid log walls with a handsaw and vertical guides to create perfectly straight window openings. This labor-intensive process ensures that every opening is precisely aligned, transforming the heavy timber walls into a functional and beautiful dream sanctuary. sharp chisel is used to carve a vertical slot in the log ends, allowing the walls to settle naturally without putting pressure on the window. This precise step ensures long-term structural integrity and a perfect, durable fit for the frame. Long logs are carefully hoisted and aligned atop the walls to create a solid roof support system. The structure is then reinforced with horizontal tie beams, transforming raw timber into a sturdy and beautifully interlocked hand-built sanctuary. Precision metal plates are secured to support posts, which are then manually hoisted to carry the heavy roof beams. An adjustable screw jack is carefully installed at the base to account for future wood settling, ensuring the cabin remains perfectly level and durable for generations. Massive roof beams are being precisely positioned atop the vertical posts to establish the cabin's primary support system. This structural alignment ensures even weight distribution and creates an unshakable foundation for the final roofing stage. Roof trusses are being meticulously assembled, with each log notched for a perfect fit to create a high-strength triangular gable. This precision framing forms a rock-solid peak for the cabin, ensuring the handcrafted roof can withstand the harshest elements for decades. Solid wooden planks are meticulously laid over the log rafters to form a secure and continuous roof deck. Each board is precisely aligned to create a smooth, durable surface, ensuring the cabin is perfectly sheltered against the elements of nature. Each rafter is meticulously sprayed with a green preservative to prevent rot, while a black waterproof membrane is spread over the roof to create an impenetrable moisture barrier. Finally, these treated rafters are precisely aligned and secured to form a rock-solid and perfectly balanced roof framework for the cabin. The roof structure is being solidified with precise decking boards, followed by fitting high-quality thermal insulation into the rafter grids. This seamless combination creates a high-strength weather shield and ensures maximum energy efficiency, keeping the handcrafted sanctuary comfortable in every season. Solid plywood boards are precisely fitted to create a rigid roof deck, followed by rolling out a high-grade waterproof membrane for ultimate protection. This layered defense ensures the cabin remains bone dry and structurally sound, creating a long-lasting weather shield in the heart of the wild. The cabin's protection is finalized with the installation of a proper gutter system and durable green metal roofing sheets. This precision-engineered exterior, complete with ridge flashing, creates an impenetrable weather shield, ensuring the sanctuary remains bone dry and structurally sound for decades in the heart of nature. A custom wooden frame is precisely assembled and paired with natural wool insulation to eliminate air gaps and ensure maximum thermal protection. The frame is then meticulously slid into the wall opening, creating a perfectly airtight and weather-resistant seal that keeps the handcrafted sanctuary warm and secure for decades. The window sash is precisely fitted into its frame for a perfect seal, while a waterproof membrane and vertical cladding boards are meticulously installed on the gable walls. These finishing touches ensure the cabin is fully protected from the elements, combining structural integrity with a professional, high-end aesthetic. A precision wooden framework is being meticulously constructed at the gable end, housing high-density insulation to ensure year-round warmth and energy efficiency inside the sanctuary. Bjorn then skillfully installs vertical cladding boards to the exterior, perfectly fitting them around the massive logs for a professional, weatherproof finish. Wooden planks are precisely glued and clamped to create high-strength panels, while vertical guides are installed in the log walls to allow for natural timber settlement. Finally, the custom door frame is meticulously fitted, ensuring a perfectly aligned and airtight entrance for the handcrafted cabin. Solid wood panels are precisely fitted into a handcrafted frame to create a high-strength door for the cabin. With raw strength, the massive door is then manually lifted and positioned into place, ensuring a perfectly aligned and airtight seal for the majestic sanctuary. The door is precisely aligned in its frame and fitted with a high-strength rustic handle for a perfect blend of form and function. Every component of the locking system is then meticulously secured, ensuring the sanctuary remains safe, silent, and fully protected from the outside world. Heavy-duty subfloor boards are precisely installed, followed by a moisture-resistant underlayment for thermal and sound protection. Finally, premium wooden planks are meticulously fitted to create a flawless, durable, and elegant floor for the handcrafted cabin. The dream is finally a reality. Months of relentless labor and precision have transformed raw timber into this majestic, hand-built sanctuary, a legacy of strength and beauty, now standing tall in the heart of nature. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. If this transformation inspired you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep building.